February 9th, 1996, train 1254 had departed Waldwick at 8:03 a.m., about 5 minutes later than the 7:58 a.m. scheduled time. The train's destination was Hoboken Terminal, with arrival expected at 8:44 a.m. The engineer was John J. DeCurtis, with conductor Stephen Miller, as well as an unnamed assistant conductor. 1254 consisted of Comet 2 cab car 5146 in the lead, 4 Comet 1 coaches, and GP40 PH-2 4110. The train had a total of 275 passengers aboard. The opposite direction was train 1107, headed to Suffern, and had departed Hoboken Terminal at 8:31 a.m., 1 minute late. Train 1107 was operated by engineer Alfonso Debanis, as well as an unnamed conductor and assistant conductor. 1107 consisted of GP40 PH-2A 4148 in the lead, 5 Comet 1 coaches, and 1 Comet 1 cab car 5120 at the rear. At the time of the collision, the train had 125 passengers aboard, as well as 2 deadheading NJT employees who were traveling to Suffern so they could operate another train that originated there. Both trains were in push-pull configuration, which basically means a train can be operated at either end when there's 2 engines or not. The train soon passed a medium approach signal, telling the train to slow down. According to the black box data, the train passed this signal at 34 miles an hour. The next signal would show the engineer a stop indication at Bergen Junction to wait for train 1107 to pass before 1254 could be allowed to continue into Hoboken. Train 1254 continued to slow down until approximately 71 feet before the stop signal, where the engineer instead accelerated the train to 20 miles an hour past the red signal. Shortly afterward, the train went into emergency braking after the engineer realized this mistake